People, we are here at the mall once again. Seems like I go to the mall a lot, but
first world problems. I spend too much time at the mall.
We're at the mall again.
We're at the mall again. Different mall. We're in Charleston.
Yep.
We always go to the mall in these vlogs.
The ghetto mall.
Okay,
mall.
yeah, this Citadel Mall is dead pretty much.
Yeah.
Except for like major
Stores
chains like Dillard's and Belk's and Palmetto Moon, all those kinds of stuff. But all the rest of the stores are like weird.
Yeah.
They're like weird.
It's
like really cheap.
It's like
weird.
one step above the jockey lot.
Yeah. They're like there's a museum in here, like a trying to be a museum, I guess.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, it's not a
I mean it's
one name for the
It's got the world's saddest Sears.
yeah. Sears is pretty much dead. It's
And
pretty sad.
I went in there and the air wasn't even turned on and it was like really hot. And
yeah, tell them the story from when you were at Kansas.
I said to one of the workers, I was like, I'm really sorry that the air's not working. And she's like, I know. Because when you went out to the rest of the mall, it was like 10 degrees cooler.
Yeah.
It was really sad. The story about when I worked in Sears?
Yeah.
Which story?
About the lady.
The lady.
Who grabbed the stuff out the rack.
So there was a lady that was stealing clothes, and then I had to give her a refund. And I could see her steal the clothes from over there, and then she put them in a buggy and said, these didn't fit. I'm like, you just got them from over there. And she's like, no, I bought these yesterday, and they didn't fit. So we got my manager, and I was like, she just took these clothes. He's like, man, I'm sorry he was rude to you, and he gave her money back. I was like, this company has no chance.
Echo. It's dead in here.
But the best story, at the old mall in Rock Hill, there was a big speed bump, and this kid had lowered his car, and he got stuck one night, and he was teeter-tottering because his little wheels wouldn't touch the ground, and it was hilarious.
Nice.
You think 15 minutes from West Ashley and 19 minutes from Mount Pleasant. Call 767-1600.
So this is like a little on-the-fly unboxing. So this is a Yeti bottle, and you take the top off, obviously, and stuff comes in it. You get some papers talking about features and warranty and care and all that boring stuff. And then you got what you got here, just Yeti ad, all that kind of stuff. And then you got something more. What's that little thing? Oh gosh. Okay. Get it out. And you get a Yeti sticker, and that's it. So, I guess yeah. Now I get to use this at the beach, so that's good. And yeah, see you guys. Oh, Yeti is kind of dumb though. So when I was taking off the wrapper, it's like still like sticky. Yeah, you see that line of like glue where they had it on the bottle. Why though? Like. Alright, I'm gonna test this. So I have a full tray of ice in here, and then the rest is filled up with water. So by the end of the day at the beach, I'm just gonna see how well it lasted. Just trying to see how long the ice will stay cold for.
Check it out.
I'm gonna check it every little while, so just see how it works. So hoping it works well because I paid a lot of money for this thing. And yeah, but I think it'll work fine. So
We're gonna go to the Apple store right now.
just testing, and yeah, so we're gonna head to the Apple store right now. After that, we're gonna see our great grandmother, and then we're gonna go to the beach. And yeah, so after when we get in the car from the beach, I'm gonna take this thing onto the beach. So we're gonna see how well it worked, how much ice is left over, and yeah. So see ya there. So the Apple store was a fail. Because I didn't have my receipt, because I never got one. But so we have made it to the beach. We're just parking at our cousin's house, and we're just gonna head over to the beach. And Walker's gonna skimboard. I got my drone.
This hurts my shoulder. Even with padding.
I got everything that I need, and you dropped it on my foot.
Did that hurt? Oh, I made a dent right there and there.
No, that's not from that.
Oh. Sure.
Yeah. So, we're just gonna head to the beach, and I'll see you there. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be a little too windy for me to drone today. Yeah, it's gonna be a little too windy for me to drone. Like, even the birds are fighting the wind. So, sorry guys, but no beach drone footage today. We're gonna swim and hang out and stuff. So I'll talk to you in a little. Hey buddies, what's up? Hey buddy, I can almost touch him, oh my gosh. Oh my god! So, that was fun, that was crazy. So like, I dropped some. And then all of a sudden, like, they started going for him, so we threw him on the ground. And I was like, hey, Dad, I wonder if they can catch him in the air. And I threw one, and it went, and then so I just grabbed the camera and started filming it. It was so funny.
Oh, there's one behind you.
It was crazy. So, pretty late now, just trying to get this vlog up for you guys. Walker's gonna go watching it, pre-watching it just to make sure it's good and stuff. He does that sometimes just to help me out so I don't screw up in some vlogs. Like one vlog I had like music before a time lapse, and then the time lapse was completely silent, so he just helps me out with that kind of stuff. So my thoughts on the Yeti: awesome product, love it, so glad I got it. Tripod fixed, super glued. This top one down, it's Gorilla Glue, that's why it's all nasty. So, but it's super strong now. I can't, like, there was like a mechanism where you could like lock the base plate down, but so that was, I don't think that works anymore, but that's alright. I don't use it anyway. So, tripod used in tomorrow's vlog.
Right, when you said tripod just now, it said tripod on here.
That's pretty weird. Alright.
I just hear tripod.
So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. So, Walker, where will I see them?
In the next video.